Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NIO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a rough way to end the week here. As a reminder, markets are closed on Friday for Christmas, so Merry Christmas to everybody. But let's get some updates here made here. First key dynamic here that needs to be updated is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So that newest area of resistance now going forward in the near term, if the price does try to consolidate out and then work its way back upwards, the big question mark now resides at, can the price not necessarily just get back up to 46.50, but more importantly, can the price break up through it? So 46.50 now going to be that main battleground that you're going to want to watch if there is going to be any sort of, worthwhile attempt back in the upwards direction. So my point here is, even if the price goes up a little bit, I'd still be skeptical until the price can get up above 46.50, because at that point, that's at least an additional sign of confirmation that, yeah, there is some true power behind it. Because, yeah, sure, for the price to go back up, that does require some power, no doubt about that. But again, it's about getting that additional sign of power, and that additional sign, again, being, defined and signified at that 46.50 mark. I'm going to actually just go ahead and get rid of that line up there. It served its purpose for now. And from the presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. But near term, again, key level of resistance right there at 46.50. As far as levels of support are now concerned moving forward, main level to watch is going to be that pink line right there. The 200 period simple moving average, which on my chart is valid at, we'll just call it the $45 mark. So those will be the two main levels headed into next week. $45 key level of support, $46.50 key level of resistance. So we'll see what happens with it moving forward. But yeah, overall, not the greatest day today, but I wouldn't exactly call it a train wreck either. But we'll see what this one has to offer next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.